Tartlets, it's Jen, and today we're talking brows. Mine aren't done yet. I'm going to do them, don't worry. I'm going to go through all the different brow products Tarte has to offer, and I'm going to fill them in and show you how to use them. First up, we've got our Amazonian Clay Waterproof Brow Mousse. This is so nice. It's such a creamy pot, and it's available in ash brown, taupe, medium brown, and rich brown. And you'll see it's a really creamy, soft mousse. So I'm just going to pick it up right with the brush that comes with it. You're going to take it just like this, and you're going to simply draw in and fill in your brow. This is great for someone that actually has like no brow hair, because you can literally draw in and fill, so you can give yourself a nice natural brow shape and fill in for a nice natural finish. And again, this is waterproof, so if you get caught in the rain, your brows aren't going to be running down your face. They're going to stay put, and it's infused with that Amazonian clay for a better, longer, truer wear. Next is a personal fave of mine. It's our Busy Gal Tinted Brow Gel. I love this so much. It's available in taupe, medium brown, and black brown. And I'm going to be applying the shade black brown. I love this because it fills in your brows, it shapes them, it holds them in place. It's wonderful. And it just looks very natural because I have really thick brows as it is. So I can brush it right through, tame them, and also fill in the areas that are a little bit more sparse. Again, this is waterproof as well, so it won't be running down your face. If you get caught in the rain or you get a little sweaty, your brows are going to stay put. And it also has Amazonian clay in it again for that better, longer, truer wear, and the pigment is going to just pop, and it's going to grab which hair you have and just fill it right in. This is great for someone that has brows that are a little unruly, a little bit sparse. This will fill them in and keep them in check. Next, we've got our Amazonian Clay Waterproof Brow Pencil. This baby is available in taupe, medium brown, and rich brown. This is really nice too because again, it's waterproof, it's got that Amazonian clay, so you know the pigment is going to pop and it's going to stay on all day. And what's great about this is it has this fine tip pencil right here so you guys can see it. So you can really give yourself a nice, precise brow. This is great for someone who doesn't have any brows because you can give the illusion of natural brow hairs with this, or it's also great for someone that has brows and just wants to fill in any sparse areas that they have. Last but certainly not least, we've got our Arch Architect 2-in-1 Universal Brow Pencil and Gel. This is great because it's one pencil. Anyone can use it, whether you've got taupe, gray, brown, black. It all depends on just the pressure that you use. So on one end, you've got this angled pencil, and again, it all depends on the pressure you use. So if you're someone that has like lighter hair, you're gonna use softer strokes to fill in. And if you're someone that has darker hair, you're gonna put a little bit more pressure to give a more deeper application for more rich color. Then on the other end, we've got this clear brow gel that you can use to tame and shape your brows, and it's gonna hold them in place. I personally love this one because I love the clear gel. I love how it just goes through my brows, and when I want to look more natural and not really have a full brow, I'll just take the gel, give them a nice shape, it holds them in place, and it doesn't get like clumpy or sticky looking or like dry with that white crustiness in it. It's just clear, it looks very natural, and I love it. So there you have it, Tartlets. You guys saw just how easy it is to use those products and give yourself a natural looking brow. I just filled them in seconds and gave them a beautiful shape using 4 different brow products. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. I know I did because brows are my favorite thing in the entire world. By the way, I also use the rich brown shade in everything but the Busy Gal brow. I use the black brown shade in that. All right, guys, thank you so much for taking a brow with me, and until next time, mwah! Take care, tartlets.